Meaning of embroider.
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 Embroider. Embroider refers to the art of decorating fabric or other materials using a needle and thread, or sometimes other materials such as beads, sequins, and pearls. The result is a beautifully crafted design that can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to clothing, accessories, and home decor items. Embroidery can be done by hand or by using specialized machines, and can range from simple patterns to intricate designs that require great skill and patience to create. Overall, embroidery is a timeless art form that continues to be appreciated and admired by people all over the world.